So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once we're in the command prompt, you want to type in MBR to GPT /validate and then click on enter. Ignore this error on my screen, it's because I'm using a virtual machine so I can record the video. Now you want to type in MBR to GPT /convert and then click on enter again. Once you do all of that, we can now resolve this. Now you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings, and then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. And now once we're in our BIOS, if you're currently on easy mode, then you want to click on F2 on your keyboard, which will now change it to this mode right here. Now, if you're using AMD, to enable FTPM, you want to go to peripherals. It's going to be saying AMD CPU FTPM. Double click on it and then make it enabled. If you're using an Intel CPU, it's going to be saying Intel Platform Trust Technology. You want to double click on that and then make it enabled. Again, this is the AMD one. If you have Intel, it's going to be saying Intel Platform Trust Technology. Double click on it, make it enabled. Next, we're going to enable Secure Boot. So you want to go to the BIOS tab. Now, once we're here, you want to find CSM support. Double click on CSM support. Make sure that you have this disabled. Once you disable CSM support, you should now be seeing Secure Boot. Double click on it. And now once we're here, you want to set Secure Boot to enabled. And that's it. We can now save and exit. Save and exit setup. And then click on yes. It's now going to take you back into Windows and it's now going to be enabled. That's how you do it.